Hi everyone, it's day 19 of Vlogmas and I got all these boxes in today, so I'm super excited to unbox these boxes. Damn it. I'm super excited to unbox these. So they've been sitting here for 2 days. I was really busy the last 2 days. That's why the vlog was like 2 days as one, because so much work. Once again, I'm sorry that I keep complaining. It's my own choice. Nobody asked me to do Vlogmas, but I decided to do it anyway. My roses look so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. They really opened up. Honestly, I do not remember what all of these boxes are. I didn't even peek yet from where they are, so I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure one of them is the exciting thing I want to unbox in a separate video. So let's find out. Let's start. The first one is from Amazon because, I mean, we all know that. I have a scissor here because I didn't even open them, which I should have done to save time. But it's a vlog, so who cares, right? I'm pretty sure there is a Zara box as well, but I still have like 2 boxes from Zara to come. So if you guys want me to try them on, let me know and I'll do a try on haul. Oh, cute. This is for Geneva. I bought her gifts on Amazon to put under the Christmas tree. This is like a tablet drawing. Oh, it's so cute. It's pink and yellow. How cute. She's here, by the way. She's running around somewhere outside. Oh, and this is a baby shark melody pad. Press the buttons and hear sounds. How cute. She's obsessed with Baby Shark, so that's why I got her this. And everything from Baby Shark is sold out everywhere, so I think she's not the only baby that likes Baby Shark. I think this is an exciting one because it's a signature required. I should have grabbed a knife. Why do I get so excited to open up packages? Okay, I'm getting impatient. Guys, I'm gonna show you a sneak peek, so if you watched this video, you got a idea what it is that I'm gonna unbox on Christmas Day. Hopefully the video will be up the second day of Christmas, but this is going right under the Christmas tree and I cannot wait! Did you guys see? Okay. I'm so excited for that. I cannot wait. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna unbox this one in that video as well. Yep, I'm gonna unbox these in that video as well. This one is not as exciting as the other one, but why not do them together? I mean, I'm so excited. Even though this Christmas was not the Christmas we all want, it's still a super exciting one. I'm super happy. I mean, we're healthy, we have life. we have so much to be grateful for, right? I kind of want to open this big one because I don't have no idea what it is. I did not order anything that big. My battery is flashing already. Thank God we only have one big one left. I still have a few packages left that I ordered from Black Friday that surprisingly didn't arrive yet. But if they do arrive before Vlogmas ends, I will include them in this video. My battery is flashing. I'm pretty sure these are my mom's. So not exciting. But I do have 2 orders left. Oh, this one is so pretty. This one is like a pink halter top. And it's long sleeve. So pretty. And this one is like a polka dot dress. I'll show you guys probably in a Zara haul. But these are not mine. I'm gonna charge my camera real quick for 10 minutes and unbox the big one. This last big box is not exciting at all, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. Can you believe that in this whole freaking big box? Wait for it. I ordered like oven trays because mine were dirty and ugly. Look how huge these are. I didn't expect them to be this big. But oh well. You realize you get older when these things excite you. They are from Rachel Ray. And they're super pretty. They're like non-stick oven pans. Anyways, I'm super excited about all of these things. I still have more orders to come. So hopefully I'll unbox the next orders with you guys as well on Vlogmas. If not, I'll just make it a regular vlog and unbox everything with you guys. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am for the Christmas video. You should be. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Asleep, I.
Pergi.
Para. Bin.
Lebar kre.
Bin tu me bin. Tu ah.
Mana bau? Mana bau?
Tene pakinin sa kabapatran. Wakinin.
Cheers!
Tene.
Cheers!
Tene. Cheese.
Cheers!
Cheese.
Ponebo, edi ponebo. Tati yung morkoy, kuya mamoy. Abay kay rutin kompoy. Moy di oy, taki kekoy. Bang gune ko ba? Koy ko ba? Bang, sina. Bebe? Ka bebe?
Kwe. Dice morkoy.
Oo, yung morkoy ko meron. Kuya me, moy? Kuya me, moy? Koy! Koy ta crops lah. Moy ko me.
Kira cross lah. Kita.
Crops lah.
Non sa niyo nandami.
Oke. Done desse cross lah.
Ito come?
Ito come.
Edi bebe.
Ito come?
Aha,
Ini tu soyo. Atrás o leite, cara. Vedi qua atrás o leite.
Papai tá
Laghe.
Geneva pouco a pouco. E pensa esse rabo.
Sim.
Nunca mais vou dar mexer com ele.
Que você?
Cuidado com ele. Ok? Eta come.
Assim livre, Cunha, assim
Põe
livre.
aqui na meta comer.
Puxa livre.
Na sua hora da frega.
Puxa livre, Cunha, puxa livre.
Esse pijama, vamos ver baby TV com ele aqui dentro, que bom.
Que coisa é com o blanquei?
Colo.
Puxa livre, Cunha, puxa livre.
É morcoi, a mim não.
Eu vim com o papo na televisão.